Back at it once again. It's your man, Boss Gang VIP with the weekly money watch. Let's get into it. Portfolio update for the week. Everything is going absolutely phenomenal. I actually did the update, so make sure to check that out as soon as you get a chance. I really think you'll like it. Let's check out the economics calendar for this week. There is no event scheduled for Monday. Tuesday, advanced U.S. trade balance, advanced retail inventories, advanced wholesale consumer confidence, job openings on Tuesday. Wednesday, ADP, employment, GDP, consumer spending, PCE year over year, Fed's preferred inflation gauge. I'll get into what I think is going to happen then. Thursday, initial jobless claims, S&P final, U.S. manufacturing, construction, auto sales, time to be determined. And Friday, U.S. non-farm payrolls, U.S. hourly wages, unemployment, hourly wages year over year, factory orders. Almanac for this week, more bullishness than not on Monday. Tuesday, more bullishness than not. Wednesday, historically bearish. That absolutely lines up with PCE. But guess what? Thursday, first trading day in May, historically bullish. S&P has been up 18 of the last 27 trading sessions. I expect that bullishness to continue into Friday. Let's see if we get a carryover of bullishness for the first couple of days, a little volatility Wednesday with PCE, some indecision and volatility in price, and then see if we get back to pushing bullish on the charts. Setups for this week. Microsoft, pretty easy. Just got a clean 2 week setup above 392.16. Dividend 83 cents on May 15th. Keep that in mind. Earnings 430 aftermarket. Keep that in mind. SoFi. This has a 15-minute setup. Yeah, let me pull up the 15-minute chart on this one. Has a 15-minute entry. Let's see it. I'll just highlight this. I'll activate it. Two 15-minute above 1289. It's been really, really strong. Let's see if we can keep that momentum going and see if we can get up to around this 1418 this week. So that should be within the next couple of days, if not by the end of the week, is what I'm looking at. So, and then I didn't give you Microsoft. Microsoft definitely strong as well. End of the week. Let's see if we can get around over 400 by the end of the week. Last ticker I'm going to be looking at is DraftKings. We actually got a 1 minute entry on this one. Pretty crazy. We got a 1 minute entry above $33.83. So that's a 1 minute. Let me activate this. 1 minute above $33.83. This is coming off some really, really low levels here. So yeah. Coming off some really low levels, and we'll just see if it can start to push back up from these levels. Anyway, I'm looking forward to having an absolutely amazing week. If you haven't already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel so you can get these updates as soon as they drop. If you get any wins, I definitely like to hear about those. Looking forward to having another great week. It's your man, Boss Gang VIP. I'm out. Peace.